Okay, now I am going to tell you about Commission Junction. It's cj.com. It's one of the best paper lead program, and it has some paper sale also. We have to sign up as a publisher. This is the link where we can join. So select your country, functional currency US dollar. Go to next page. Accept their conditions, privacy policy, age certification. You should be at least 18 years old. So website or newsletter name. Our blog name is Dog Training Tips. This is our blog URL. Just copy and paste it here. Free informations on dog training. Category home pets less than 99,000 unique visitors. Define your promotion methods. If any, just select website and search engine marketing. No. First and last name. This is our email ID. Verify email ID. Address. Yes. Type this character CNHDDJH. Accept their terms. So go to your inbox. So this is the account identification number is this one. This is our login email ID, login ID, and this is our password. So we just go to login to Commission Junctions cj.com. So just put our email ID there. And copy this password. So this is the member area of Commission Junction. Okay. So if you click that get links, these are the categories of advertisers available. So art, photo, music, automotive, beauty, books and media, business, buying and selling, career, clothing. So lot of things are available. So we got some pet related blog. So we search for that type of advertiser. So pets, find here. So these are all the advertisers related to dog pet category. See, pets category. So more than 50 advertisers are available right now. So see here, these are the advertisers company and all. This is 3 months EPC, this 7-day EPC network. So EPC means earn per 100 click. So if we add this company's advertisement in our blog, if 100 clicks happen, we will definitely get $5.71. It's a history, it's a trend. So it's a 3 months EPC. The past 3 months, if we get 100 clicks for that advertisement, definitely out of that 100 click we can earn $5.71. The 7-day EPC means last week it generated $22. So it's a lead based program. So if somebody registered by clicking advertisement through our website and registered in that website, in this website, we will get $1 commission. So we click for more and to get more information. So this is the advertiser detail. So it's this company is from US. Welcome to upet.com, the internet premium social network. Pet is online social network devoted to pets and other owners. Pets are important for our lives and we want to share the enjoy areas we are living. Start promoting upet.com. We pay $1 for every user who registers and confirms their email address. It's a simple sign up. You can expect to see huge conversion. People love their pets and love to show them off. So this is the thing. So user register and confirms the email address. So if we give more than 1,000 leads, if somebody registered in upet.com through our website, it is called lead. So if we get more than 1,000 leads, commission will be $1.1. It's called performance incentive. Okay, so we select this program and we apply. So this advertiser approves publishers manually. Your application status will be set up pending application. The advertiser will contact you if approved. Okay, some advertiser will review our website and all, and they will approve the publishers manually. Okay, so we come here. So this is called lead program. It's called pay per lead. It's called pay per sale. See. So this website is selling something pet related product. So we put that dog.com advertisement in our website like this. So this is the pay per click advertisement from Bitvertiser. Just like the same way we will get on code, small code. So we have to put that code here or somewhere around here. So if somebody visits our website and if they click that advertisement and if they registered, means it's called lead. Okay, after clicking the advertisement from our website and they go to some other websites like this one, and if they purchase something from this website, so if they purchase something from this website, we will get 6% of the product's value. Okay, so this is called pay per sale. So lot of lead programs also available in this CJ Commission Junction. Lot of pay per sale also available. So this is examiner.com. It's one of the website related to news category. So they are giving $5 per lead. So the 3 months CPC is $25, 7 days CPC is $26. For example, if you got 1000 members, 1000 visitors per day, out of that 1000 visitors, 100 visitors click that link in our website. Okay, so we will definitely get $25. It's a history, the performed history for 3 months. It's a 7-day history. So it's the thing. Just in this program also we apply decline your application. Some advertisers may decline our application, so don't worry, just leave them. This is also the $5 lead program. Apply to program. This also declined. So there are a lot of programs are available, don't worry. So programs are available, 50 advertisers are available regarding pet category. So we can just click and open the detail, and we can apply here. See this, we can apply here. Otherwise you can just select all and apply to program. In a single click we can apply for all programs, all advertisers. So some advertiser rejected our application. Some applications are in pending status. So Motel 6, Studio 6, we have to accept this advertiser's condition. So we have to click that. So the new window will open. Go to bottom of the page and click accept. After clicking that accept button, automatically the checkbox will be. So Pet Supermarket, this advertiser approved our application. So this only natural pet store declined our application. So like this one, like this. So Cosmetic Mall approved, Zoo Buy approved. So we accept. So a lot of things are advertisers approved our application. So don't worry. See. We can't simply check this box. For each and every terms and conditions we have to read. So continue. Just close it. So we search for, so previously we searched for this pet related advertises, and we found more than 50 advertises, and we applied, and some of the companies approved us. Okay, so this is the home page of Commission Junction. After going the home, after registering your this thing, you will come to this page, home page. In the home page you can find the get link tab. If you go here now, you can find lot of advertisers category. You can just select according to your blog topic. Okay, this is the get link. So this is the general category. In the get link we got 4 tabs. Okay, it's a general category, it's a advertisers list, it's a smart zone setting. Just forget all those things. Okay, so we consider in general categories and by relationship. So in general category, the website will show all the available advertisers. In that by relationship, if we click that by relationship tab, we can see what are the approved advertisers list. So we applied for 50 advertisers, and out of 50 we 9 advertisers approved our application. So these are the 9. Okay, it's a pending status. Pending offer means it's a from advertisers. If this, so for example, what is pending offer? So official pet hotels, if they change their commissions, and whatever, if something changed in this thing, they can intimate me. So it will come under pending offer. So we have to accept that offer. So that is called pending offer. It's a pending application. We apply for so many advertisers. Some of them are in pending status. So we can see all of them. And the publisher expired. So this thing, publisher expired, publisher, advertisers expired. So if some of our advertisers expired means withdraw their advertisement through CJ. We can see them, so that we can remove the advertisement of expired advertisers from our blog. So declined offer, so declined applications, these are the things we can find. So this is my advertiser. Okay, so these are all the thing are paper sale. So if somebody purchase some product from these companies, they will give you some percentage of your sales. So see here, so this is the company Pet Mountain. The 3 months EPC is $39. Okay, the 7 days EPC also 33. It's a good converting program, I think. Okay, sale, they are giving 7% of the sales volume, and it has some performance incentive also. So if we click this button link, we can see the detail. So online purchase $7. If total sales amount equal or greater than $3,500, increase commission to 9% per action. So normally commission is 7%. If we get more than $3,500 sales now, so they will give you 9% per action. So these are the terms and conditions of this company. This company has already approved our application. So maximize this window and see get links. We need to put some referral link, some code to our website, then only we can get some commissions by promoting Pet Mountain's products. So these are all the banners and text links are available to promote this company's product. So these are all the things. We can just search and we can select which is suitable for our blog or website. So I select this thing. I'm going to select this thing. So this banner is more converting, because for this banner only 3 months CPC is $92. Okay, so this is the animated one. Okay, you just click here and get HTML. So this is the code. So this is the code we have to put in our blog. So encrypt link. If you want to encrypt this link, you can just see here. After clicking the yes, the code will automatically change. See, it has changed. So set a link to open a new browser window. Yes, it's optional. If you select yes, if somebody clicks this banner, the new window will open. Hide tracking code in a link. This you want to hide the tracking code, otherwise you click yes or no. It's optional. So this is the thing. So what we have to do is we just select highlight code and copy the code. Copy, then we come to our blog. So this is the blog. We go to layout. So this is our blog, already. So this is this thing. So in this blog we got in first place we got some follower link and blog archive and about me. What I am going to do is I am going to put this advertisement, put this code, this banner here means it will come here. So click add a gadget, go to HTML JavaScript and just Control V, just paste the code here and save it. That's all. We added a new HTML or JavaScript in our blog. So if we refresh this page, you can see that add here. Okay, so if somebody visits our website and if they are interested with this banner or this banner attracts them, definitely they will click. So the new window is opening. So Pet Mountain, this is the product, this is the product. If somebody purchased any product of this thing, we will get 7% commission. So this is called paper sale. If we got any paper lead program approved by CJ, we got the same thing. If somebody registered, we will get lead, we will get some commission. It is called. So this is the thing. So I am going to delete this follower, or I am going to save this. So I move this follower from here to here. So this is the thing. So from first of all, we created a blog, and in our first video you learn how to create a blog and how to post various topics, various posts in your blog. And second thing, you learned about Bitvertiser, that means pay-per-click program. And third one is paper lead program. The best affiliate network for paper lead is CJ, Commission Junction. Okay, so here for example, it's a pay-per-click program. So if somebody visits our free dog training tips 2010 blogspot.com, and if they click this ad, you will get some commission. And if somebody clicks this ad and purchase some product from this company, we will get 7% of the total value. So this is paper sale. So if if we got some paper lead program, we can put that link in our blog, and if somebody clicks that link and so new window will open, the website will open. If they register with their email ID, we will get some commission. That is called lead. Okay. This is how you can create a commission junction affiliate network. In this commission junction, lot of links are there. You can use them to retrieve your reports, how much you earned, and everything you can see here. We just explore the whole website. It's a user friendly only. It's very easy to understand. Thank you.